Hi, Randy Vicario Pogandi. So, um, welcome back to my video YouTube channel. My video preferred is a video of how my recipe of how you make rice, soft rice with pumpkin and coconut milk. So I'm gonna start showing you guys so simple, not a lot of ingredients, just simple Chuki's way. So stay tuned. So there ikaw po kukuwait, okay? You can either cook one fresh rice or you can get the already cooked one and use it for your stuff, okay? So you might want to cook your okay. uh, so these are the things you need to do to make your coconut sauce okay with pumpkin. You're gonna need this the pumpkin. You're not gonna use the whole pumpkin, but you're just gonna use like half of it. You're gonna need sugar and you're gonna need the coconut milk in a can, and then of course you're gonna need this food because you're gonna use it to create it, and of course cutting board and knife. This is what you're gonna do with the pumpkin. You have to peel the skin off, like this hard skin. You have to peel it off either with a peeler or I use the kitchen because it's faster and easier. So now you cut down into pieces your pumpkin like this. Now you have to grate it or fearra. So this is how I do mine. I grate it like this, so it's easier when I put it in my soft rice. So I'm just gonna prepare everything. So these are what you need. This is how your pumpkin came out look like. It's cut. It's grated into like one whole piece of pumpkin, and then this is your okay or soft rice, and then you get your sugar and your milk. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in the pumpkin here. So you just keep putting in the pumpkin as this is what you do. The pumpkin. Break it into, mix it, the soft okay rice with your pumpkin, and then at the same time you wanna pour your coconut milk, and then your sugar. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you're just mixing your butter and pumpkin with the soft rice. You gotta keep stirring and mixing all this together so it all mixed together to make the taste delicious. So as you can see, I'm stirring and mixing the with the pumpkin and the coconut milk with the soft rice. So this is what we call Chuki's rice with coconut milk and pumpkin. So now this is our Chuki's no, fix it this way. Our Chuki's this is a local Chuki's with coconut milk and pumpkin. You want to know the recipe? Follow me on my YouTube channel because I've been uploading my recipes on my YouTube channel, and if you love to follow my recipe and support me, please watch my video and subscribe on the bottom to your left, and then also click the notification button. So this is my son and myself. We are eating our rice soft rice, or Chuki's with coconut milk and pumpkin. Mmm. How does it taste? Wait. Huh? It's good. Thank you for watching.